Oppo Watch 3 is being launched. It'll be the first smartwatch to launch with a new Qualcomm Wear OS chipset, what they call the W5 Gen 1. I've made a rant about it already. Qualcomm has already announced the Snapdragon W5 and W5 Plus chipset. So Oppo will be launching the Watch 3 in August. It has the Apple Watch copy. It should have better battery life. We don't know much about it, so Oppo's launching it, and Mobvoi is also launching a next-gen TicWatch Pro Ultra 4. It will come with a more advanced processor, that is the Snapdragon W5 Plus chip. So both these companies have announced it. We have no idea what's coming. All we know is that Oppo Watch 3 will be like an Apple Watch shape, and Mobvoi will be a round circular shape. So let's see how it comes out. It seems to be a good time for buying an Android Wear watch or Wear OS watch. Watch this space for more details. Like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.